A woman with a plate of bacon. Is it beautiful? It doesn't get better than that. Oh, sorry. Get a load of this. Ooh, that is a burger.
What is that thing?
This is the Crunchy BBQ Bacon Burger, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. This is Tara the Foodie. All right, well, we've got our burger patties here because if we're going to make a burger, we're going to need burger patties. We have 6, a little more than 7-ounce burger patties. We're just going to end up salt and peppering these. But what we want to do first is make our onion rings. Each burger is gonna have a big, fat, crunchy onion ring on top, and that is gonna be good. Oh. So what you wanna do is start with 1 yellow onion, and we are going to chop off the ends. And we're going to peel the onion whole like this, which is the biggest pain in the ass in the world, rather than cutting it. But we want those rings, so we got to do it. And here we go with my eyes watering.
Already?
Yeah.
All right.
Because we want these to be big, fat, crunchy onion rings, we want to cut them accordingly, right? So we are going to cut
big fat rings.
So let's try and get the thickness that we want here, which I'm thinking kind of like that. So let's cut that big fat, and then let's do one more and not completely cut ourselves. When you cut something that's wobbly like this, you're apt to cut yourself. You have a much better chance. So just cut a little bit off the bottom like that to make it stay more, sturdy. And then you'll feel a little bit better about cutting it. And then we got another thick stack. So these 2 will be perfect. And then what we want to do is obviously just kind of start separating them as rings. Easier said than done, huh? Look at. See, you've got thick, thick onion rings, and that's what I really want. This one's doing a lot easier. Good, good, good. And we got little guys too to snack on. There we've got our onion rings. We are going to make the batter. First off, in this bowl, we have 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of cornstarch, a 1/2 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and then a big pinch of salt and kind of pepper to taste, just kind of ground pepper until it looked like it was enough. So that's all in this bowl. And the reason for 1/2 flour and 1/2 cornstarch is just so that these onion rings are going to be extra crispy because of that added cornstarch. Put it in the big bowl. I'm sorry, I did that too fast, didn't I? I heard your disappointment. I just
feisty already.
I went too fast. So now you want to add a cup of cold water to this, and we're just going to make a batter, so like a pancake batter sort of. So we're going to just add some water, whisk it up. It's a little thick, so I'm thinking I'm going to add a little more so I can show you the consistency that I want. See how now you can fathom dipping an onion ring in here and it not just glopping all over the place. It's basically what you have in mind. After we dip the onion rings in the batter, we're going to dip them in, or coat them in breadcrumbs. You can use panko breadcrumbs. You can use kind of what I call regular breadcrumbs, whatever a regular breadcrumb is. These are garlic and herb breadcrumbs, so adding a little extra flavor where we can. Or you could crush up Old Man crackers like we do when we make the chicken tenders, and you can see that video right up there. I have canola oil in here. You just want to use just a real neutral oil. You could use light olive oil. You could use avocado oil as well, which I hear has a really high smoke point. So we've got the probe in there now, and we will wait until that hits 350, and then we'll go ahead and fry up the onion rings.
Got a special guest with us.
Whoa! Special guest.
Special taste tester.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Gus has some friends over, or a friend so far.
Yeah. Will!
Where are you?
Confused with the Will from Stranger Things.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and dredge the onion rings in the batter. So you're going to take an onion ring and dredge it. And then pop it in the breadcrumbs. Okay. And then just put it on a plate or something and do the rest. I don't think there's a neat way to do this at all. Jeez, as I just get it everywhere. It's almost like there should be a t-shirt to describe me.
Yeah.
Like,
why wouldn't
I'm nerdy, I make a mess, I'm dirty. Don't you think there should be a t-shirt that just describes that?
Well, absolutely.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait.
What? I don't know if you've noticed, but I also have a t-shirt that has a pretty cute saying on it, if I do say so myself. You might have noticed that I'm wearing one of our brand new merch store items. We have just launched our merch store for Tara the Foodie. It's called Savor the Flavor. And what does it say at the bottom?
So good, you can't keep it out of your mouth.
Right. So good, you can't keep it out of your mouth. So this is one of the designs, and each t-shirt has Savor the Flavor on the sleeve as well. And then Juicy Joe has one of the other designs here, which is Nerdy and Dirty. And she is eating a burger. Yeah, looking good on you, baby. Yeah. And on the sleeve, Savor the Flavor. Oh, nice muscles. Yeah. So our merch store is open, called Savor the Flavor. We also are launching our website, tarathefoodie.com. And from tarathefoodie.com, you can get all the recipes for this channel, as well as there's a link to the merch store on it. Whoa. Hey, thanks for fucking up the whole announcement.
Easy there.
You can also access the merch store from Instagram. If you go to Tara the Foodie on Instagram, there's a button that says View Shop. You can click on the View Shop button and see all of the items. We have unisex t-shirts as well as women's cuts t-shirts like this. This is the extra small. There's black and white for each design. You can also go to the Tara the Foodie Facebook page. Scroll down just a little tiny bit. You will see the shop show up there as well, and you can click on all the items. So there's a lot of different ways to get to it. Yay! We're really excited. Yay! So we've got our 6 onion rings for our 6 burgers. We are going to lower them in. It's about, well, 360. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. So we will lower that in. Woo! So basically just cook them until they're golden brown. That is a beautiful thing. Flip these guys over. Oh my gosh, they smell like onion rings. Duh. But we've never made onion rings together.
No.
So.
Well, I'm only going to fall in love with you even more after this.
Ooh. Well, I will make many onion rings then. All right, this looks done to me. Drippy, drippy. All right, so that's 4 of the 6 perfect onion rings that we are about to have after I fry the last 2. 6 onion rings, perfect for our crunchy bacon barbecue burgers. I can't wait. So we've got our big, beautiful burger patties here. So We're going to go ahead and salt them liberally with salt. Since these are thick patties, and yes, babe, I'm getting it all the hell over the floor. But since these are thick, we want it to be a nice amount of salt. And then we're going to put pepper on as well. We're going to do this on both sides. So these are nice and flavorful. I'll just turn them over. And you want to make your burger patties a bit bigger than your buns because they will shrink on the grill. All right. So as you see here, I have a plate of bacon that I made in the oven earlier. You want to just set your oven to 400 degrees, put it in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes or so. Just kind of keep an eye on it. And once it's to the doneness that you like, take it out. We are going to be putting the bacon on the burgers as well. We have that done. We have our beautiful onion rings done over here. These are for our snacking pleasure, and these are for the burgers. Nice thick slices of cheddar cheese that we're going to put on top once the burgers are done. Yeah, that's a thick piece of cheese. So all we really need, what are you doing?
There it is.
There it is. Good job. So all we really need to do now is grill these burgers and toast our buns real quick, and then we are ready to put this thing together. I'm going to take a spray out as well. This is avocado oil spray. I'll spray the grill first. So I'm going to take these outside into the upside down because if you look over there, it's completely dark. It's, I don't know, 9:30 at night right now. So
Well, you can see Dirty Cook.
yeah, look at her. She's all illuminated.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, look at that shot. That's the money shot right there.
It almost looks scary.
I know.
You gotta
Well,
look scary.
if we had some particles,
I do that.
I'm going to take these outside into the upside down, grill them, and I will be right back. So we're back from the grill. We cook them to medium well, which is about 150 degrees internal temperature.
Except for one.
Except for one, which is well done for Franco, and it is 160 or above. That one there. It doesn't even want to melt the cheese because it knows it's wrong. So we've got our components here for the most delicious crunchy barbecue bacon burger. So first we're going to pick a beautiful bun. That can be the one. Oh, you want this one? You like this one better? Mm-hmm. Okay. We've got just a store-bought barbecue sauce here. Just pick the one that looks good to you on the shelf. You want to take a spoonful of barbecue sauce. Next, we are going to take one of our beautiful burgers and place it on top of the barbecue sauce. Next, we're going to take a couple pieces of bacon, and I say we break them in half, and that way we're doing 2 pieces. And we will stack them like that on top of the burger. Yes? I think this one here is calling my name. This onion ring here looks perfect to me. So you want to top your burger with a beautiful, perfect onion ring that you made yourself. And all you have to do now is put the lid on. And then you have a delicious looking, crunchy barbecue bacon burger. So the time is here. We are ready to taste this burger. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I'm going to get a hold of this thing. It is a little bit sloppy, which is what you want out of a burger. And I'm looking for my perfect bite here. Bite with the cheese, of course. Here goes something. I know I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this barbecue sauce all over me, so just stay tuned for that. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yeah. It is flavorful. The barbecue sauce is just sort of dripping everywhere, but it's just enough flavor as a sauce for the burger. There's nothing else needed. The cheddar cheese goes perfectly well with it. Oh, it's delicious. It is just a good old delicious sloppy burger.
No vegetables.
No vegetables on this one. Normally I put lettuce, tomato, onion. There's onion.
Yeah, true.
There's onion.
Right.
So this is a good one. I'm going to throw together a few more of these and call the boys down so we can have dinner late at night tonight. So I'm Tara the Foodie. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you next time.